to another video. In this video, we are going to know how to update Roblox app. If you don't know how to update this, then follow the steps. First, go to the search bar and search here setting. Now go to the app section and click on the install app. Now in the search bar, search here Roblox and right click on it and uninstall. After uninstalling the Roblox, go to the browser and click the game that you want to install. Now click on this icon and install the Roblox. So by this way you can update your Roblox. I hope this video is for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share it. Thanks for watching in the next video.